like we do.
Angelica back with us again, watching this heat on just a really tough week for some people in the east especially.
Oh yes, it's hot, it's humid, it's uncomfortable. It feels hotter than the actual air temperature, something that we're not very used to here in San Diego. And looking at the current conditions, the skies are blue in downtown, but in the horizon, you can see those cumulus clouds getting taller and taller. 78 degrees right now in San Diego. The winds coming out of the west northwest at 10 miles per hour. The biggest jump temperature-wise has been near the coast in the North County, Carlsbad and Sanitas, Oceanside, averaging about 4 degrees warmer than yesterday. So we find a lot more 80s today near the coast, including Oceanside at 83 degrees right now, 91 in Ramona and 91 in Escondido. As we look at the actual feel-like temperature, it's actually a little bit higher, trending about 2 to 3 degrees warmer than the air temperature. So if you look at the thermometer, you can add a couple of degrees because of the humidity. Dew points are in the mid-60s. Areas like Escondido, Poway, just really humid, feeling more like Louisiana here. 73-degree dew point in Imperial Beach, and then closer to the mountains, those numbers are not as high, but there's still plenty of moisture with monsoonal flow extending into the region. It has been tough, not just for us, but up and down the state. Heat advisories and red flag warnings once again, including areas that are still dealing with wildfires. Our heat advisory extended through the weekend. It'll be in effect until 9 p.m. on Sunday, including our mountains, also our foothills and inland communities. Some thunderstorms have developed today. Most of the activity, or at least the strongest thunderstorms, are farther north near Palm Springs. To the south, we see a little bit of some activity out there, but everything is highly isolated to the extreme southern part and eastern part of the county. High pressure will be the culprit of the heat through the weekend. Then we'll start to track an upper level system to the north, and that is going to bring a cool down next week. It'll bring temperatures closer to average starting on Tuesday. In our 7-day forecast, 80s through the weekend, humid, but becoming a little bit drier Saturday, Sunday. That will elevate fire danger, and that of course means we have to be very cautious. Temperatures will average in the upper 90s for inland communities, mountains. Looking at isolated thunderstorms tomorrow, drier through the weekend, but the heat is going to be the biggest concern. Deserts, your heat will peak on Sunday, and thankfully next week we'll see an improvement.